Morning folks. Today we are continuing our trigonometry part. So in previous lecture we have seen the ratios of the trigonometry: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. And we have also seen the values of these ratio on particular angles such as 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Today we are seeing some of the formulas and question based on that. This is third part of the lecture on trigonometry. We are talking about trigonometric ratios with their complementary angles. Trigonometric ratios of the complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Complementary angles are those angles which are having the sum of 90 degree. Which are having the sum of 90 degree. Suppose we are having two angles A and B. So the sum of these two angles will be 90 degree. So these kind of angles are known as complementary angles. Now let us see some of the basic formulas. Suppose the angle is given by A. So sin 90 minus A. 90 minus A will be the complementary angle is cos A. This formula you have to remember. Sin 90 minus theta or sin 90 minus any angle is cos A. Cos 90 minus A is sin A. Then tan 90 minus A is cot A. Cosec 90 minus A is sec A. Sec 90 minus A is cosec A. And cot 90 minus A is tan A. The proof of these formulas are not been asked in the examination, so we are not going for the proof. Let us see the question based on these formulas. I am taking the question from exercise 8.3, question number 1. Evaluate exercise 8.3, question number 1. Evaluate sin 18 degree upon cos 72. Now we can see we have given with the question in sin and cos. We have to use these two identities. Either we can use sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A or cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A. Now I am changing the numerator sin 18 degree in the form of cos 72. This 18 can be written as 90 minus 72. 18 can be written as 90 minus 72. Substituting this value over here, So it will be sine 90 minus 72 upon cos 72. Sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos A. Cos A. A is 72. 72 upon cos 72. So this cos 72 by cos 72 will get cancelled out. So this will be 1. In this manner we have to solve the question. Let us see one more question based on this. Question is cos 48 degree minus sine 42 degree. Either we can change this cos or this sine. I am changing this cos 48. 48 can be written as 90 minus 42. Substituting this value over here. Cos 48 can be written as 90 minus 42 minus sine 42 is as it is. Now cos 90 minus A. Cos 90 minus A is sine A. A is 42. So cos 90 minus A is sine A minus sine 42. Now sine 42 minus sine 42 will be 0. So the required solution is 0. Now moving to the next question. Show that, question number 2. Show that tan 48 degree, tan 23 degree, tan 42 degree, tan 67 degree is equal to 1. This is we have to prove. Now we can see that these 48 and 42 are making one pair, and this 23 and 67 are making one pair, because 48 can be written in the terms of 42 as tan 90 minus 42. 90 minus 42 will be 48. Now this 23 can be written as tan 90 minus 67. This 23 can be written as 90 minus 67. Keeping these two terms as it is. Tan 42 tan 67 is equal to 1. Now tan 90 minus A is cot A. Cot A 42. A is this 42. Tan 90 minus A is cot A. A is 67. 67 tan 42 tan 67 is equal to 1. Now cot theta can be written as 1 upon tan theta. Substituting this value over here, cot theta can be written as 1 upon tan theta. So this will be 1 upon tan 42. This cot theta can be written as 1 upon tan 67. This can be written as tan 42 tan 67 is equal to 1. This tan 42 will get cancelled out with this. This tan 67 will get cancelled out with this. So this will be 1 is equal to 1. So this is the required solution which we have to show. Let us move to the next question. Question number 3 of the same exercise. Question number 3 says that if tan 2a, question number 3, if tan 2a, if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is acute angle, 2a is acute angle, find the value of a, find the value of a. Now we know one identity that cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Cot, let us suppose we are substituting theta as 2a. So cot 90 minus 2a can be written as tan 2a. Now substituting this value over here, cot 90 minus 2a is equal to cot a minus 18d. This cot will get cancelled out with this cot. 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18. Taking 2a in the right hand side and 18 in the left hand side. 90 plus 18 is equal to a plus 2a. So this will be 3a is equal to 8. So a is equal to 108 upon 3. 3 3 is a 9 and 3 6 is a 18. So a is equal to 36 degrees. This is the required solution. Let us move to the next question. If tan A is equal to cot B, prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degrees. If tan A is equal to cot B, given that tan A is equal to cot B, then we have to prove that A plus B is equal to 90 degree. Using the same formula, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So taking the cot 90 minus b can be written as 10b, and 90 minus b can be written as cot b. Now replacing this cot b with 90 minus b. 10 a is equal to cot b can be written as 90 minus b, 90 minus b. This 10 will get cancelled out with this 10. A is equal to 90 minus b. Taking this b in the left hand side, a plus b is equal to 90 degree. So this is the required solution of the given question. I hope you got the idea how we have to solve the question using these identities. In the next lecture we are going to see some more question based on this. Thank you for